Is your car losing power, struggling to accelerate, or idling rough? The problem might not actually be your engine. It could be your throttle body. And if ignored, it can affect performance, fuel economy, and even lead to expensive repairs. So, what exactly does a throttle body do? The throttle body controls the amount of air entering your engine. When you press the accelerator pedal, the throttle body opens and allows more air to flow in. That air mixes with fuel inside the engine to create power. More airflow means better acceleration, while restricted airflow can reduce engine performance. Over time, dirt and carbon build up inside the throttle body. This blocks airflow and causes performance issues. Some of the most common signs include rough idling, slow acceleration, poor fuel economy, engine hesitation, and sometimes even a warning light on the dashboard. Many drivers ignore these early symptoms until the car starts becoming difficult to drive. So, a faulty throttle body doesn't just affect your car's performance, it can actually increase your fuel consumption and put extra stress on your engine. That basically means your car ends up working harder, but you get less power and efficiency out of it. Sorting out the problem early can really help prevent bigger and, honestly, more expensive issues down the line. In some situations, just cleaning the throttle body can boost your car's performance and sort things out. But if the internal electronics fail or the damage is pretty severe, replacement is usually the better choice. That's why it's so important to use a high-quality, compatible throttle body that's actually designed for your vehicle. At DTIP Auto Parts, we offer reliable and compatible auto parts for UK drivers, including quality throttle bodies made for durability and performance. Picking the right part can really improve your car's reliability, efficiency, and long-term driving performance. If your car is showing any of these symptoms, don't just ignore them. Checking your throttle body early can save you money and help your car run properly again. Subscribe for simple car tips, maintenance guides, and trusted auto part advice for UK drivers.